profitable, marvelous web designing, and Python programming courses. You can easily get this type of jobs, remote jobs or other jobs like that. Backend and front-end developer, 45,000 per annum. See like that. So many jobs available. This one, 500 per day. Python developers, very high demand, like that. You can see how it's running. Also, you can see Python developers, JavaScript developers, remote work. How can so many opportunities there. We have 4 different courses, main courses. First one is Python for beginners. Course overview, like that. Introduction to programming. Getting started with Python. Python programming basics. Programming essentials. Looking ahead. Software development process. Assignment. Connect with the industry. Then you can obtain a certificate. Valid university certificate. Same like this. We have advanced course for Python programming. Also, we have basic and advanced courses for web designing.